KG8, we are back with another video for lesson 10, which is the measures of variation under boxplot. Okay, so I hope that before I start, you'll get the copy of your module and a pen so that you'll be guided accordingly as I discuss our topic.
Box and whisker plot. The main objective of this lesson is for you to illustrate the measure of variability through a box plot of a statistical data. So what is a box and whisker plot? A box plot, also known as a box and whisker plot, is a good way to summarize a large amount of data. It displays the range and distribution of data along a number line. So a box and whisker plot is a graphical representation of a dataset wherein makikita natin the measure of variability or what is the variation of the scores of the dataset. So, pwede natin makita doon saan bang part magkakadikit ang scores at saang part medyo malayo ang scores. So, we have the steps in constructing a box plot. So, for us to start, let us consider the data below. We have 38, 6, 24, 15, 19, 65, 47, 78, 55, 79, and 99. So the first step is for us to make a box plot from a set of data. So to start, we have to arrange the data in ascending order. So from least to greatest ang ating arrangement. So if we arrange the data, we will have 6, 15, 19, 24, 28, 47, 55, 65, 78, 79, and 99. The second step is for us to find the median or the middle value that splits the dataset into two equal parts or equal groups. So for this case, our median is the middlemost score. So that is 47. Now, the third step is to find the median of the lower half of the dataset. So as you can see, 47 splits the dataset into two equal parts. So ang unang part is the lower half, which is yung scores from 6 to 38, and then the upper half is the scores from 55 to 99. So we have to find the median of the lower half. So focus tayo dun sa scores from 66 to 38. We have to find the middlemost value or the middlemost score of this half. So for this case, that is 19. So the fourth step is to find the median of the upper half of the dataset. Okay, so from 55 to 99, so the middlemost score is 78. The next step is to find the highest and the lowest entry of the dataset. So since we have arranged the dataset into ascending order, we can easily find what is the lowest and the highest score. So our highest score is 99 and the lowest score is 6. So now that we have the 5 important values, we have 6, 19, 47, 78, and 99. So pangalanan natin yung 5 values. Okay? So we have 6 is the lowest extreme or the lowest score. 19 is the lower quartile. 47 is the median. Higher quartile is 78 and then the highest extreme is 99. And yung limang scores na to ang gagamitin natin to construct our box plot. So for us to draw a box plot, let us begin by plotting points for the 5 values above a number line. So we have a number line here. Nagsimula ako from 0 hanggang 100 since the scores na meron tayo sa dataset ay runs from 6 to 99. So in between siya ng 0 to 100. So first, we have to plot 6, which is the extreme score, and then 19, which is the lower quartile, 47, which is the median, 78, which is the higher quartile, and 99, which is the highest score. So kung makikita nyo, yung pagpa-plot ko is naka-align doon sa values ng ating number line sa baba. Next, we have to draw vertical line through the lower quartile, median, and upper quartile. So the lower quartile is 19, and then median is 47, and 78 is the upper quartile. So magagawa lang tayo ng vertical line dyan. And then, to form a box, we have to connect the vertical line from the lower quartile, median, and upper quartile. So ganito lang ang magiging itsura niyan. Yan. So may makikita na kayong box, right? So finally, draw the whisker from the extremes to the box. Okay? So, yung whiskers ay ganito ang itsura. Ayan. So, ngayon, meron na tayong box plot for our specific dataset. So, by finding the middle values of the ordered dataset, you have separated the data into 4 equal groups called quartiles. Okay. So, I have here an example wherein we are asked to draw a box plot for the dataset below. We are asked to determine the lowest extreme, lower quartile, median, upper quartile, and highest extreme. So the data set, we have 18, 37, 11, 42, 55, 53, 29, 15, 32, 37, 20, and 45. So the first step is to rearrange this into ascending order. So let us rearrange this. Okay, so now that we have rearranged our data set from least to greatest, we can now proceed to the next step. Basta lagi niyo lang tatandaan when we are constructing a box plot, palagi dapat na naka-arrange siya from least to greatest. Okay, next is to find the median. So for us to find the median, we have to get the middlemost score. Ngayon, since this is a data set wherein the number of observations is an even number, or 12, ibig sabihin, the median lies between the two middlemost scores. So the two middlemost scores are 33 and 37. So that means sa pagitan nila ang ating median. So for us to get the median, okay, so x bar equals 33 plus 37 all over 2. That means 70 over 2. So we have median is 35. Next, ngayon, since the median or yung 35 ay nasa gitna, it splits our dataset into two equal parts. So we have the lower half, which are scores from 11 to 33, and the upper half, which are scores from 37 to 55. Okay, so now, for us to get the lower quartile, we have to get the median of the lower half. So the lower quartile is equal to 18 plus 20 since sila yung dalawang pinakagitnang scores all over 2. So that is 38 all over 2, which means lower quartile is 19. Now, punta tayo sa upper half. So we have to get the median of the upper half to get the higher quartile. So in that case, we have 42 plus 45 all over 2. Then that's 87 all over 2, which means the higher quartile is 43.5. So meron na tayong tatlong values. Ang dalawang natitirang values ay ang ating highest and lowest score, which is yung 11 and 55 respectively. Next, let us now plot the points that we got from the previous slide. So we have the 5 important values. We have 11, 19, 35, 43.5, and 55. So let us plot this. Okay, so una muna natin i-plot si lower quartile, which is yung ating 19. And then 35, the median. 43.5, the higher or the upper quartile. Next ay plotting the highest extreme and the lowest extreme. Okay, so we have now 5 points. Let us now strike a vertical line sa ating lower quartile, median, and upper quartile. Okay. And then, for us to make a box, so gawin natin, i-connect natin yung vertical lines ng ating lower quartile and upper quartile. And then, ganun din sa baba. Okay, so now we have a box. And for us to put the whiskers, let us connect the points sa ating extremes. So, meron na tayong box plot.
This ends our video for today. I hope that through this video, you were able to further understand the lesson and somehow nasagot ang ilang mga katanungan nyo regarding our topic. If ever na meron pa rin kayong clarifications, you can always address those questions during our synchronous class. Again, I hope that through this video, you were able to think, wonder, and explore mathematics through measures of variation under box plot. Thank you very much.